distracted from what was going on before. And you know, my big question still is, where is Jaden Smith? What really happened to Jaden Smith? Because this hurricane come and you know the hurricane is a big devastation, a whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica. It's like we tend to be distracted, but at the same time it still crosses my mind. What really happened to Jaden Smith? You know, it's really sad to see this child is missing, and it's just all type of stories. Every minute you hear a different story, every minute you hear something different from these people who are responsible for him, and it's really heartrending to see that the end we are not hearing anything.